which is not part of the 3D printing process. Now, I meant to do one, but I have two 3D printers. One kind of sucks. It's on the floor over there. I'm trying to see what I can do with it because it's kind of broken. I don't know how to fix it. And then there's that one. If you know what that one is the Bamboo X1C. And it is legit. It is the stuff. And it is awesome. So let's talk about 3D printers, which is not a part of the 3D printing process. So let's look at the ones where you definitely know it's part of the 3D printing process. Create the 3D image. Duh, it's a 3D printer. So number one is correct. You do need to create the 3D image. I mean, that's like the whole point of 3D printing. After this, we have create the slice file. Now, if you know about 3D printers, you can download files from online, and then you can put them in a slicer. You can also make your files and then put them in a slicer. The slicer basically cuts up the levels because when you print, you move up the y-axis. I think it's the y-axis, or it's the z. Anyways, you move up. So you're basically printing in layers. Think about that. You print in layers. That's how 3D printers work. If you've ever seen one, you know either the bed goes down or the print head goes up. And you're printing layers. Hence the slicer. You need to slice your object file like that, in slices, and then you can send it to a G-code file to get it to print. Then we have preheat the extruder and bed. Always need to do that because remember, you're melting filament. So you definitely need to preheat that extruder, and to get the material to stick to the bed, to adhere, you do need to preheat the bed as well. And they need to be hot while you're printing. Different materials require different temperatures, so just be aware of that. So, which is not part of the 3D printing process, it's printing a 2D test. Why would you need to print a 2D on a 3D printer? That makes no sense.